Right then. Now this is my 1980 Kawasaki Z650. I bought it last year as a project bike. Now at the time it was running and it had a few months left of MOT in fact. I've not been able to do anything with it in the past year, but now with the lockdown, more time on my hand, I've decided to start giving it a go. So the first thing is that I now can't get it started. The battery had gone flat. I fully charged the battery up, excuse me, and that's fine now. But what I've noticed is that when you press the button for the starter, absolutely nothing there at all. I've tried starting it with the Kickstarter and I'm getting no spark. So I've taken the spark plug out and there's no spark there at all. However, where my suspicions are is with the kill switch, because it is very, very loose and sloppy. I mean, look at that. You can just turn it all the way around. Okay. And it really is very, very loose and sloppy. So I'm wondering whether that is faulty and that is in fact stopping it from starting completely. In other words, it's the kill switch is on permanently and I can't get it started. That's where my suspicions are, and I'll have to look into that more. So cosmetically, what needs doing is first of all, it came without a center stand. So I've been very fortunate, and I've been able to get a good, nice center stand in really nice condition, which in fact has been stove enameled, very, very clean. So that's ready to go on. The exhaust is a Motad exhaust. It's not bad, but I wanted something that, trying to get the original is nigh on impossible. So I had to decide what to do, and I've actually got myself a brand new 4-into-1 exhaust ready to go onto that. It's been resprayed, and it's been resprayed rather badly. In fact, if we sort of go in there, you can see the peaching on it. Okay, not very good at all. It's a B2. Now the B2s came in either blue or red. Luminous, bright blue, I think it was, and luminous burnt red. Now neither of those colours were particularly popular, and the bike didn't actually sell well. Now the previous one, the B1, and that came with a candy emerald green, which was really, really popular. It looks really smart. I had one in the mid-80s in that colour, really nice. So that's what I've decided to do. I've just decided to have this resprayed in the candy emerald green. Now, just looking at the tank, yeah, you can see there, it's been filled and not very well. Okay, so that will need sorting out before it's resprayed. The side panels, now I've noticed that the side panels are odd. This one is flat, okay, you can see it's got a sticky, so that's going to come off, obviously. That's going to be resprayed. Now on the other side, the side panel has got a recessed where the badge goes, so they're not matching. So what I'm going to do is probably sell that and replace it with a flat one, because I have already got new badges to go on the side here, because these are just stickers. Looking at the tailpiece, that again needs a bit of work doing onto it. You can see it's been filled there. There's a bit of a crack there. If we open it up, other key. There we go. Yeah, it's been filled here, repaired badly here. That needs sorting and obviously respraying. And while we've got the seat up, The seat's not bad. You can see it is rusty underneath there, but it is solid. What is disappointing is the buckles here have rusted really badly. And on the other side, I won't show you that. These are new, so obviously someone's put some new stays there. Okay, so the seat will need sorted. I haven't really decided what to do because the seat itself isn't too bad condition, particularly when I look at what's for sale on eBay. It's in really quite nice condition, apart from the rusted buckles. Here it's not that brilliant. So I haven't decided quite what to do about the seat. It is original. And so, I don't know, maybe if I can get the buckle, I can probably get the buckles. I've had a go at trying to undo it and put a bit of spray on it, which hasn't budged yet, but I need to do a bit more work on that. Now, the other thing that I'm going to replace is, you can see here that it's got K&N filters. I'm going to put the original airbox back in there. So I've got a few places where I can source that from, and I've had some advice on that, which is quite good. And then the carbs need balancing. The engine has actually had a lot of work done doing to it already, and when it was running, she was very sweet. So I don't need to do anything with the engine. The frame is actually in very good condition. I'm really pleased with that, because that's one of the real pains. You know, if the frame isn't good, I mean, you can't see down there, but you look at, I'll tell you what, let's just open the seat up again, and you can see the swinging arm. And it really is in quite nice, still can't see very well. But anyway, the frame is in very good condition. And then the other thing is that it's got these aftermarket headlamp braces here, brackets. So I've already ordered and got those in, the replacement ones. So they're chrome covers with the, can't see it, chrome covers with the brackets there, and then chrome covers that go over the yokes there. Now, I've got those already. So actually, I got them from Germany. Here in a couple of days, amazing. The chrome isn't too bad. There's a bit of pitting here on the front mudguard, which I'll see how much I can get out. The rear mudguard, though, is in actually pretty good condition. All the indicators are okay. The light lens is fine. The chain guard is good. The wheels, the chrome on the wheels are excellent, and the spokes are good. So that's very pleasing. The front forks are in good condition. Probably changed I can see that the seal's gone a bit there, so I'll put new oil seals there on the front forks. But apart from that, so there's quite a bit to do. But the bike itself is in really good sound condition. So what I'm going to do is a little bit of a video every time I do something. I don't know how long it's going to take, but we'll see eventually how she turns out. Okay, thanks for watching.